Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your virtual meetings with Zoom easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Zoom application on your device. Sign in to your Zoom account using your credentials. Click on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Navigate to the meeting tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the security section. Enable the require a meeting password option for added security. Choose a strong password that is difficult to guess. Consider using the Enable Waiting Room feature. This allows you to control who enters your meeting. Set up a meeting by clicking on Schedule a Meeting. Fill in all the necessary details, including the meeting topic and time. Under the Meeting ID option, select Generate Automatically. This ensures your meeting ID isn't easily predictable. Next, make sure the passcode option is set to the password you created. Click on Save to confirm your meeting settings. Before starting your meeting, click on Invite Participants. Share the meeting link and password securely with your attendees. Once your meeting begins, keep an eye on the participants list. Use the Remove option to eject anyone who does not belong. Consider recording your session for reference, but ensure participants are aware. Always end the meeting once it concludes to prevent further access. Regularly review your meeting settings for any necessary updates or changes. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Zoom meetings remain secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.